If you guys are in search of a great phone case, then this is it right here. Now this phone case itself, if you guys can see, it has a large cover, and if you guys can see, it covers perfectly your phone's camera, so if you drop it face down, it won't damage some of your lenses. All right, the whole system comes with a mag tag. If you can see that, you could actually magnetize things, charge things, devices. You can see it works with a lot of great devices that have that magnetic setup. All right, now one of the things I like about the most, it's all the indentation that it has. It's more like a honeycomb shape, and it actually tells you, indicating where the actual mag tag is at. And then of course it shows you in white. The reason it's white is because you're going to see how much times you dropped it. This thing has saved your camera from breaking. You'll see within time that's going to happen. Now you do have access to all the buttons, including the charging stations, because that's important. The 3 buttons, of course, and of course the microphone and both cameras, the front and the back. Now there is no cover for the front. You got to have your own cover if you're going to protect your investment, because these phones are not cheap. I think the whole mesh itself, it's made for impacts, right? So very flexible. If I ever want to remove it, it's easy to come off too. So if you guys are looking for a nice, beautiful phone case, they have various types of phones, and also cases and colors. I choose this one because it matches me. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I have a wallet with me, and I carry with me, and that's pretty much it. That's how it kind of hangs onto your phone, which is great. So I just take one thing with me in my pocket. I don't have to take extra wallet or anything like that. It fits perfect because of the actual mag charge. So hope you guys enjoy the video.